Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to one of the most stunning destinations in India, the enchanting city of Gangtok. Join me as we delve into the captivating beauty of Gangtok and discover all the wonders it has to offer. When it comes to breathtaking natural beauty, Gangtok doesn't disappoint. Surrounded by majestic mountains and lush greenery, this city boasts some of the most mesmerizing views you'll ever see. Whether you're gazing at the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas or exploring the enchanting landscapes of Somgo Lake, your eyes will be treated to a spectacle of nature's wonders. But Gangtok is not just about its scenic beauty. The city is also deeply rooted in its rich culture, which is a delightful blend of Sikkimese, Nepalese, and Tibetan influences. The locals here are warm, friendly, and known for their hospitality. During your visit, make sure to explore local markets like MG Marg, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere while indulging in local cuisine and shopping for traditional handicrafts. Gangtok is home to several Buddhist monasteries that are not only religious havens but also architectural marvels. One such masterpiece is the Rumtek Monastery, known for its intricate carvings, magnificent golden statues, and peaceful ambience. This monastery is not only a sacred place for Buddhists but also a popular tourist attraction for both locals and travelers from around the world. If you're an adventure enthusiast, Gangtok has got you covered as well. The city offers a plethora of thrilling activities that will get your adrenaline pumping. From paragliding over the picturesque valleys to river rafting down the Teesta River, there are countless opportunities to experience the thrill of a lifetime. And for the trekking enthusiasts, Gangtok serves as a gateway to the stunning Kanchenjunga National Park, where you can embark on exhilarating hikes amidst the breathtaking Himalayan landscapes. Gangtok takes its responsibility towards the environment seriously. The city has embraced the concept of ecotourism, which promotes sustainable practices and aims to preserve the natural beauty of the region. Several initiatives are being taken to protect the fragile ecosystem and promote responsible tourism, such as waste management projects, organic farming, and conservation efforts. By visiting Gangtok, you'll not only witness its beauty but also contribute to the preservation of this pristine paradise. So there you have it, the beauty of Gangtok in all its glory. From its mesmerizing views and rich culture to its Buddhist heritage and thrilling adventures, Gangtok holds something for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, a culture enthusiast, or an adventure seeker, this city will leave you spellbound. So, if you're looking for a destination that will take your breath away and create unforgettable memories, Gangtok should definitely be at the top of your bucket list. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring and keep spreading the beauty of Gangtok.